Morning, Carol. You know, it's a bit chilly, but I think we've got a little spurt of summer coming our way.
That's absolutely right, Naga. Yes, we do. Most of us do anyway. Good morning to you too. What's happening today, though, is we've got some heavy rain coming our way. It's already coming in from the west. It's going to be pushing eastwards through the day, and it's going to turn that bit windier. It's breezy at the moment. However, for the rest of the UK, we're looking at sunshine, the temperatures continuing to climb, way above average for the time of year, roughly between 20 and 25 degrees. So, Naga, you are absolutely right.
I like being right, Carol. It happens very, very rarely, but at least on this occasion, we can remember it. Put it down in the book, will you?
I will. It's definitely a diary entry.
Thanks, Carol. See you later.
Good morning. It's a largely cloudy start this morning, feeling quite mild though. Largely dry day with some hazy sunny spells developing a little later.
How's things, Carol? Look at all that weather you've got going on there.
There's a lot, isn't there, Charlie? Good morning, everybody. I'm going to show you where the warm weather that we are expecting this weekend is coming from, first of all. So there have been some record-breaking temperatures for October across Spain, France, Austria and Poland. If you're wondering what kind of levels that they have had, this gives you a good idea. So widely knocking on the door of 30 in Poland to 38 in Spain. And this heat is coming our way, but not at this level. We'll be looking over the weekend at highs of 25 or 26 Celsius for some of us. To show you what kind of average we would expect in the UK at this time of year, it would be 12 in the north, so we're not too far off that, but 14 across southern Scotland, Northern Ireland, parts of northern England, 16 as we push down towards the southeast, so we're a good 10 degrees above average for the time of year. But how long is it going to last? Well, into next week. For southern areas, we're hanging on to a lot of dry weather and some sunshine. In the north, we will start to see some rain coming in, and it will turn that bit fresher as we get into the middle of the week as a weather front pushes southwards across us all. Nugget and Charlie.
That's quite a weather forecast, isn't it, Carol?
Thank you, Charlie. I'm not sure if that's good or bad, but I'll take it as a compliment. Thank you.
Well, it's more reflecting. No, I wasn't really reflecting on your delivery of the weather. I was just saying that's a lot of weather.
I was twisting that around to my benefit, but it backfired spectacularly.
Well, because he didn't say it was you, did he? He just said it's the weather that he's impressed with.
Oh, thanks, Naga.
Never mind, Carol. Try harder next time when we see you next time. How's that?
Thank you both.
Pleasure. Oh, that looks like a dark morning. Actually, I am noticing the morning's getting darker, but we've got some summer, a hint of summer coming, Carol?
That's right, Naga. As we head into the weekend, temperatures are going to really rise for many of us. North of Scotland still open to a bit of question, maybe a bit cooler for you.
Carol, bring us some sunshine, will you? Morning.
Good morning. Well, there is some sunshine in the forecast today, Naga, but not for all of us. Some of us are starting off on a rather cloudy and wet note. Where we've got the clear skies across the north of Scotland, it's a cold start, only 1 degree in Aboyne. But you can see we're looking at easily into the teens for most of the rest of us.
We've been extolling the virtues of getting outdoors this morning, Carol. So if you're minded to do that, how's it look?
It looks wet, Charlie, so bring your brolly or something waterproof if you are doing that. Good morning, everybody. This morning it's cloudy, it's wet, but it is very mild, away from the far north of Scotland where we've got clear skies and temperatures fell down to around about freezing. You can see the amount of cloud we've got in Cheshire.
Who's got the Shakespeare quote? You got the Shakespeare quote?
No. Carol.
Carol, have you got the Shakespeare quote ready?
Only to be or not to be, Charlie? That is the question. Is that the one you're asking me?
To shine or not to shine? That is the question.
When 'twere done, 'twere best done quickly.
Alas, poor Yorick.
How about
Let's move on.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. It's a wet start to the day for some of us today. The rain's been steadily pushing in through the course of this morning. If you haven't got it yet, it's probably coming your way, unless you're in the south of England where we're looking at drier conditions. But worth mentioning, over the next few days, up until Saturday anyway, Western Scotland will see a lot of rain falling on already saturated ground. That could lead to a few issues.